Unleash the full potential of your digital marketing efforts with Digital Marketing Mastery. Boost your online presence and drive sales. This comprehensive guide serves as your ultimate resource for mastering the complexities of online marketing, regardless of your current skill level. Inside, you'll uncover proven strategies to significantly elevate your brand's visibility and accelerate sales growth. Advanced techniques designed to engage and captivate your target audience, driving unparalleled levels of target audience engagement. Exclusive insights into optimizing social media, SEO, search engine optimization, and content marketing to achieve the highest returns. Step-by-step frameworks for crafting high-converting campaigns that seamlessly integrate with your overall marketing strategies. Real-world examples and case studies from industry-leading brands that have achieved remarkable success. Whether you're a small business owner aiming for expansion, a marketing professional seeking cutting-edge tactics, or an aspiring digital marketer eager to break into the field, this book offers actionable insights and practical advice tailored to help you exceed your marketing goals. Elevate your online presence. Enhance your brand's reputation and watch your sales soar with Digital Marketing Mastery. Boost your online presence and drive sales. Your journey to dominating the digital landscape begins now.